Hey, what's up? It's Ryder. It's finally here. The Hom design, Jerry Hom, whatever name, you want to call it. It's the basilisk channeled eye. This thing is a grail for me. Ever since he announced it, I wanted it, which was like 4 months ago. Pre-ordered it from a Blade Show. I've been waiting for about like 3 weeks, but it's finally here. Oh my god. Let's just unbox it real quick. Ooh. Ooh. Let's see. Hom design, model I. Just information. Made in Michigan. That's awesome. We got a sticker, which is a very nice Hom design sticker. It'd be funny if there's just not a knife in here. There it is. Oh my god. Whoa. What? Bro, what? It has a ring to it? Did not hear that when I tested it out. Solid, completely solid tolerances. Whoa, I'm pressing really hard on that. That is as close as you're gonna get to no play. Jesus. This thing is pretty. Look at that. Whoa. Okay. Oh my god. Sorry for the bad flipping, but I'm not gonna kill myself over here. That just sounds incredible. Jesus. Whoa. Oh my god. This is hard to describe. This thing is great. I flipped this at Blade Show, and their demo was kind of beat up, but it flipped pretty decent. But this just flips so much better than I remembered. Oh my god. This thing is really good at holding a flow. Oh my god. Alright, well, okay, what I can tell from so far, they definitely tried to make it as neutral as possible. You definitely do feel the handle bias on this one. And it's not like a bad handle bias. It's pretty decent. It's not like 100% neutral. Hopefully I don't cut off my finger here. It's pretty neutral. Not really. It's more of a handle bias. But they tried. They definitely tried to make it a, neutral. But no, this is definitely a handle bias here. Not like it's a horrible handle bias or anything. I like it a lot. It's very slight. And it feels good. It keeps the flow. This ano is beautiful. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I thought it was blue for a second. It looked blue in the box, and I was like, did they give me the wrong color? No, it's just a very vibrant purple. Look at the knife a little closer. Look at that. What a pretty boy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow. Okay. Wow. This thing is very mind-blowing. This is probably one of the best unboxing experiences I've had yet. This thing flips. Whoa! It's so good. I'll be back in like an hour. I'll tell you how I like it. I'll lube it up, and I'll give you like my final thoughts and opinions on the first day of unboxing. But this thing, you know, I did not expect to ring that much. The demo did not ring that much. Tolerances I probably should show real quick. Absolutely nothing. Nothing here. It's a solid object. I'm pressing really hard. Dang. Anyway, I'll be back in like an hour or two. Boop. Hey, I'm back. It's been like 6 hours instead of 2. And I got some things to say about this. First off, holy crap, I love the sound. Like, it has a slight ring. Which is just, I love so much. It's kind of bouncy. Ooh. And I love that ice pick sound. I mean, it's great, you know. It's a really good sound to it. And especially just like plain flipping. Like, listen to that. It's so crisp while flipping. One single complaint that I could find in this balisong in the last 6 hours. Check out the fan. Slight drag. And if you don't know what I mean, let me pick up my cone egg. So, when you're fanning the balisong, this is what a perfect fan should look like. As you notice, it's pretty straight. And if you look at this, oh no, drag. You notice that? It's drag. But that's obviously due to it being, well, slightly handle bias. And it's not a huge problem at all, if you even consider it a problem, which actually isn't a problem. Oh my god, that was horrible. What the heck was that combo? It's just a preference, and I wish it was a little more neutral, because like, it's not neutral. I mean, ooh, smooth. They tried to make it neutral, but they didn't. It's not neutral. It's definitely handle bias. Not like strong handle bias, but you can tell it's there, just by flipping it, which, you know, a lot of flippers prefer the handle bias, and I prefer something a little more unique than a handle bias. You know, like, I even like a slight blade bias sometimes. I mean, it depends on the knife, but, you know, like, this isn't any special handle bias. It's a slight handle bias, which affects the fans a little, but overall, this thing is pretty good. Aesthetic is beautiful. Look at that. Look at beautiful blade finish. Look how deadly sharp that is. Gorgeous sound. Beautiful. Beautiful ano. Look at that. Tang pens. I haven't had tang pens in months, bro. Like, it's been almost a half a year since I had a Nautilus. And, you know, the Nautilus is light. The main thing I missed was tang pens. And, boy, this is certainly a great return for tang pens for me. I'm just crazy in love with this thing. Is it worth $600? Well, yeah, in my opinion, it is worth that much money. I'll show you what it's made out of. They got a little thingy over here, if you care to read, you can just... Yeah. Grade 6 tie. S35 VN blade steel, which is all the high-end stuff. Grade 6 is what is actually on an EX10. So, you know, that's pretty lit. Basically means it's near impossible to destroy. Probably an amazing beater. Though I'm not gonna beat this, of course, cause $600 plus Jerry Hom design. Anyway, though, that's all I want to say. This thing is awesome. If you can afford it, I'd buy it. I did buy it. Too scared to do scissors because